Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and this is the dial on my WAG on the wall clock that I got in Colombia. Remember, it was broken in half, and so, not being an artist, I bought at Wal-Mart today these multi-surface paints, and I touched up some of it already. I took some wood filler and I gotta sand this off of the back, but I glued this broken dial together, and yeah, you can still see where it was broken, but it's better than what it was. Is it perfect? No, but it looks a lot better than what it was. I touched up the apples here and the flowers with the red. I used yellow to paint the entire surface, and then I'm going to use my Sharpie to put the black circles back in and touch up any numbers and chapter rings. And anyway, it's not perfect, but I'm not an artist, and I'm fairly happy with the way it turned out. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. God bless.